Australia has some of the finest and freshest ingredients in the world, yet a lot of children still don't know what certain vegetables are or where their food actually comes from. Multi-award-winning chef Peter Shepherd, who runs one of Greater Sydney's finest family dining destinations, has stepped in to share his knowledge.
I love the teamwork, the camaraderie, and the dedication that goes into making great food. It's this passion and creativity that I want to share with the younger generation. Each episode, I'll be taking 2 local kids on a culinary adventure here in my chef's kitchen.
This is Foodie School.
So welcome to my kitchen. We're going to be making a Mexican soup and some cornbread and some salsa, so we've got a lot to get through today.
So where is Mexican? Maybe in space?
In space?
Somewhere around the middle of the earth, I'm guessing.
A little bit on the south half. Anyway, what's this one?
Capsicum.
Excellent, red capsicum, tomatoes. We've got a bit of carrot, we've got onion. Any idea what these little fellas are?
Couscous.
Nope, it's not couscous. Beans, you're right, these are pinto beans. Itash, you're going to do the tomatoes for me. You're going to cut it 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. William, capsicums. They cut down each of the cheeks, okay? But it's all about keeping your fingers back. Watch where my fingers are.
Oh no, he's an expert.
Put in our onion. Sizzle, sizzle, like that.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Gonna put it back on the stove. What's this one?
Garlic.
Yeah, smell that. What does it smell like? Oh, nice.
It smells like spicy and like everything
Yeah, you
I
have a
can
smell.
think of that's bad.
Into this pan, we're going to put coriander powder. A little bit of bad chili. Do you guys like spicy?
I love
Patsy is on top.
Pinto beans.
pinto beans.
Got our crushed tomatoes. A little bit of salt.
No, do this.
Right.
Yeah, right. Now we have to make our salsa. Can you give that a twist for me and separate the 2 halves? There you go, perfect. Okay, see what this one is? Coriander. The thing with coriander, this part of the coriander, this root end, is really, really tasty. We cut it all off and we can put that into our soup.
Yes.
All right, and last little bit, we're going to put in a little bit of tomato dice in there, so like that.
It's like
What do you have to have when you have soup? What do you want to have with it?
I have bread and chocolate.
Bread and chocolate.
no. If you eat that, I'm just gonna walk out of it.
Do you know this cornbread we're going to make? There's something really special about this because cornbread has no flour in it. Crack that egg into that bowl, and I want you to crack that egg into that bowl.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need a little bit of salt in there, please, Salt Bay. You know when you make bread, you put yeast in, right? What happens? It makes your bread
Puffed up.
right. So instead of that, we're going to put in a combination of things. A little bit of bicarb soda. So this one is baking powder.
Bacon.
Right? Baking, not bacon. Baking.
Bacon.
Not bacon powder. That would be good though, right? This one is buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
What do you think we get buttermilk from?
You feed the cow butter and they eat it. When you squeeze it out of their udders, you get buttermilk.
Close. Actually, you take your milk and you shake it and shake it and shake it and you make butter. And what's left is that buttermilk. All right, you give this a good stir for me, Victoria.
Is it gonna be actually like a circle bread up?
It's going to be like a big pancake. Okay, here's our soup. Been cooking away nicely on the back there. Put a bit of this salsa on there. Grab a bit of our bread. Give it a try. What do you think?
I like